How's it going, guys? Budget Techie here, and today I got you guys 5 items that you could definitely use in your daily life. You could use these every now and then, or use them constantly. So let's get started. Alright, and for the number 5, recommend the Lackey, like Lakai? Right up here. uh, it's an 80-in-1 precision set with the magnetic driver kit. Now, the reason I would recommend this is, of course, it's got all these bits right here. See all those bits? Every single one of those bits will fit any product that you might have at home. This one is able, it also comes with a anti-static wrist strap and a magnetizer. Like I said, it also has got, it's got them widgies. So you can pry it open on your devices. You're able to open it up, cut it open, do whatever you feel like it with this. Instead of paying for a hefty price of the iFixit kit, going for about $49, going for $18.99. It also includes Prime shipping, so it's a deal. And since we're talking about bags, then why not talk about a tech bag? So what I got you guys here is a Bag Smart electronic organizer travel bag. You're easily able to fit many cables in. As you can see right here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6 up to 6 ports. I can't speak today. Up to 6 ports. Get port. Up to 6 slots. Up to 6 slots where you can put it in. You could also put it right up here, down there. Slide your cables. You also got your SD card, your SIM card, your TF card. You also got yourself a bunch of space at the bottom, and if I'm correct and I didn't see it wrong, you're also able to slide in a tablet in there, which I gotta say, that's a lot of space for a bag that small. Going only for about $19.99. Yes, you can find bags cheaper or more expensive, but the reason I'd recommend this, it's got a bunch of space. It's a lot better, I gotta say. It's nice, and you also get, in 3 different colors. So if you want to go around with a spicy black and gray, or how about a black and red, get it in the mood. Or if, go for a gray and orange. You tell me. Now, the next item I recommend would be the Creative Pebble 2.0 USB speakers. Now, these speakers are small, and they easily fit on any desk. They're usually meant for like laptops, if you want to have some decent speakers, small ones, of course. They're 2.0, but these are pretty good for what they cost. They're going for $19.99. It is pretty decent. It looks premium. It also kind of looks like a $60 speaker. Comment below if you guys are interested. I could record. I could do an unboxing on these. Now right here we got a 2-pack, not a 1-pack, a 2-pack MyEddy. A 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Now this is a dual USB portable charger. It's got 2 USB ports and it's got 1 USB Type-C port. You do charge it with a USB Type-A. This is easily going to get your phone charged and possibly even more than 2 charges. So this is the best bang for the buck, kind of, for going for $20, a 2-pack, 10,000 milliamp hour batteries. Gotta say, that's pretty great. And last but not least, the Poweleken USB Type-C card charger and a 3.0 port also. What this is, is a fast charger, 36 watt, delivering 18 watt power delivery, and it's a quick charge 3.0. This can easily charge any device using a USB Type-C or a USB Type 3.0. Now this bad boy, I personally have it in my vehicle, and I get to work in about 15 minutes or so. When I charge it, I start off from 30%. I get to work at about 50%. I gotta say, it is one I personally recommend it. Um, let me know if you guys are interested. I could easily do an unboxing on them. The good thing on this is you also get a USB Type-C with it. It's not a Type-C to Type-C, but you do get a 3.02 to Type-C, which is pretty great. And on this one is going for $13.99, which is pretty cheap. But for you people that are, don't have cars, but still want to charge your phone, well, I got you guys just for that. Now the person is a USB Type-C and a USB Type 3.0. Now this does also offer 36 watts off directly from the wall. It is pretty fast. I do not own this, but for you people that are going to be needing to charge your phone with the USB Type-C, you could easily charge any phone, you name it, you can easily charge that. This is the Power Beast, and only going for $10. I gotta say, that's a pretty great deal. Now let me know, what do you guys think? And with these last 5 items, I'd say we wrap it up now. You gotta say, with all these, I do recommend it for you guys. You guys will definitely be able to use it at least multiple times in a month, if not even less, if not more. There's multiple items that I've showed you that would be pretty useful in life. A screwdriver, if you ever need it, you always need it. You always know the hassle that is to find one. But a charger, you're in the airport, you're at a bus stop, you don't have to charge your phone. Whereas a charger, let me pull out my battery bank. Or you need a quick charge and you're on the go. Or you're at home and you get less than an hour to go. Well, plug in your fast charger, get your phone charging, and right before you leave, you're at 100%. Be sure to subscribe and comment below if you have any questions, ideas you may have. Please like and share, it help me a lot. Hope everyone is going to have a fantastic day.